Yo, what's good, fam? It's your OG creator here, dropping some divine truth bombs straight from my word. Today we're vibing through 1 Samuel, my ancient storyline that's still straight fire for your TikTok scroll in Fortnite dropping generation. No cap, this book's got drama, power-ups, and some serious lessons that slap harder than a viral meme. Let's dive in, squad. So picture this, I'm running the show back in ancient Israel, but my people are low-key glitching. They're stuck in a noob phase. Judges are leading, but it's chaos, like a server with no mods. I'm like, you all need a king to level up, but I'm also side-eyeing their choices, because I know how this meta plays out. First up, we got Samuel, my main man, a prophet with maxed-out faith stats. I tapped him as a kid like, yo, Sammy, you're my voice now. No pressure, he's out here calling shots, warning the squad about their L's. Compare that to today's news cycle. Politicians beefing on X, promising fixes but flexing for clout. Samuel wasn't about that influencer life. He kept it 100 for me. Then there's Saul, Israel's first king. I picked him, tall, swole, looking like a Chad. But bro fumbled the bag hard. I gave him clear instructions. Think of it like a quest log. Obey me, win. Disobey, GG. He starts strong, but then he's out here griefing, ignoring my strats. Like in chapter 15, I tell him to wipe out the Amalekites. Total reset, no loot left. But Saul's like, nah, I'll keep the best gear and flex it. Bro, that's not the play. I had to nerf him. Stripped his crown faster than a ban in Call of Duty. Contrast that with 2023 vibes. World leaders flexing power, Russia, Ukraine still popping off. Everyone's picking sides like it's a faction war. Saul's ego trip, same energy. I'm up here like, y'all, I'm the ultimate admin. Stop trying to rewrite my code. Enter David, my MVP, the underdog with the slingshot. Kid's a shepherd, grinding in the fields, no clout, no followers. But I see his heart, pure, loyal, not chasing likes. Chapter 17, Goliath rolls up, 9-foot tank, talking trash like a sweaty tryhard. Everyone's shook, but David's like, bet, I got this. 1 stone, headshot, game over. No hacks, just faith in me. Think about that next to today's GOAT debates. LeBron, Messi, streamers like Kai Cenat. David didn't need a hype train, he trusted my power up. Meanwhile, you all got headlines, mass shootings, climate strikes, people looking for heroes. I'm saying look at David. Real strength ain't in the algorithm, it's in me. Here's the tea. 1 Samuel's all about loyalty, obedience, and who's really holding the controller. Saul chased clout and crashed. David stayed clutch and rose up. My people wanted a king to flex on the nations, but I'm like, I'm your king, fam. Stop simping for human buffs. So gamers, scrollers, where you at? You dropping everything for the next trend, or you riding with me? World's wild in wars, floods, cancel culture. But I've been patching this game since day one. 1 Samuel's my DM to you. Trust my strats, not the noise. I'm the ultimate carry. 8, that's the rundown. Smash that sub button if you're down to squad up with me. Next time, we're unpacking more. David versus Saul epic showdown. Peace out, stay blessed, and don't sleep on my word. It's the ultimate cheat code. Laters.